Do I need a lawyer for a personal injury claim in Georgia? Hi, I'm Ted Spaulding. I'm an Atlanta personal injury trial lawyer and founder of Spaulding Injury Law. So this question is one that we get almost on a daily basis from prospective clients that are calling us oftentimes right after an injury. And their main question is, do I even need to hire a lawyer to handle my claim? So I want to answer that question. There's really two important factors to be thinking of in answering that question. But before we get to those, ultimately you need to know that in the state of Georgia, there is no legal requirement that you have a lawyer represent you. You can ultimately handle it on your own should you choose to do so. So should you do it on your own or should you hire a lawyer? The way we look at it here at Spaulding Injury Law is ultimately based off of two factors. One is your ability and desire to want to handle it on your own. Can you handle it on your own? Are you willing to talk to adjusters? Are you willing to talk with lawyers potentially on the other side? Do you feel comfortable doing that? If you do, then hiring a lawyer otherwise just to take it off your plate is not an issue for you. If you answer that question and say, I just don't feel comfortable handling it on my own, then stop there. There's your answer. Hire a lawyer to handle it for you. So if you feel otherwise comfortable handling it on your own, the next question is, would it be best to have a lawyer handle it for you, or can you do it on your own? And the way we like to analyze that question is based off of what value are we going to bring as the lawyers for that client in that case. And that's obviously a loaded question, one that we don't know for sure, because at the end of the day, all you have a right to is a jury trial in the state of Georgia on your injury claim to tell you what your claim is worth. So way we analyze it is based off of, you're going to have to pay us to represent you. We're always going to be able to settle your case for more money than you're going to be able to get. That's just a given. It's the way it unfortunately works, and therefore you have to look at it from the perspective of, is my claim worth enough where paying the lawyer is still going to net me more at the end of the day to compensate me for my pain and suffering, for my medical bills, for my lost wages? Or is the claim such that I'm going to be worse off after having to pay the lawyer to get that higher settlement than if I had just handled it on my own? And typically for us, we look at it and say, if you've only had a couple of weeks of treatment, you thank God got better, no huge injuries, that's a smaller case, that's fine, that's the way this system is supposed to work. Likely there's not enough there where we can bring the value to compensate for what you're paying us and have more for your damages. So that's the general way we look at these things. And we think that's the best way to look at it, because not every single claim needs or should have a lawyer if you otherwise feel comfortable handling the claim on your own. So that's the answer to the ultimate question. I hope that helps out in your decision-making process on whether to hire a lawyer or not. Please reach out to me if you have any other questions or you just want to vet this issue further. We would be happy to look at your claim or case and work with you to make a decision whether hiring us or, quite frankly, any lawyer would make sense for you. You can reach out to us. We have a contact form here on our website, or you can call us anytime, 770-744-0890. Thank you for watching this video.